Welcome to Vision Turf and Pavers, your one-stop destination for transforming your outdoor space into a breathtaking oasis of beauty and functionality. With an unrivaled range of products and a team of dedicated experts, we have everything you need to create the outdoor space of your dreams. Let's dive into the incredible options we offer. First up, artificial turf. Say goodbye to the hassle of maintaining a natural lawn. Our high-quality artificial turf is meticulously crafted to replicate the look and feel of real grass, but without the watering, mowing, or fertilizing. Imagine a lush, green lawn that stays perfect all year round, even in the face of droughts or extreme weather conditions. But that's not all. We also have pet turf. We understand that your furry companions are an important part of your family. That's why our pet-friendly synthetic grass is designed to provide a safe and comfortable environment for your pets. With Microban antimicrobial technology, our turf stays odorless and clean, ensuring a worry-free play area for your four-legged friends. Looking to add elegance and durability to your outdoor surfaces? Look no further than our stunning pavers. Our interlocking paver systems offer endless possibilities for driveways, pathways, patios, and pool decks. Stronger and more durable than traditional wood decking, our pavers enhance the curb appeal of your property while requiring minimal maintenance. To create the perfect outdoor retreat, consider our customized patio covers. Whether you're dreaming of an outdoor kitchen, a cozy fire pit area, or a vine-covered pergola for entertaining family and friends, our patio covers provide the ideal solution. With a variety of materials and timeless finishes, we create stunning outdoor structures that leave a lasting impression. And now, let's take your outdoor space to the next level with our fully customized putting greens. Imagine practicing your swing and sinking the winning putt right in your own backyard. Our high-quality expert turf installation, coupled with industry-leading products, ensures the most natural and realistic putting experience tailored to your individual needs. At Vision Turf and Pavers, we're not just passionate about products, we're dedicated to serving our community. With our experienced team of experts, we take pride in delivering exceptional craftsmanship and design. As licensed, bonded, and insured contractors, your satisfaction is guaranteed from start to finish. And let's not forget about the environmental and cost-saving benefits. In the face of Southern California's unpredictable climate, maintaining your outdoor space can be a challenge. Our synthetic grass solutions help you save money, time, and water, while creating a beautiful and sustainable outdoor oasis. It's safe for pets and kids, giving you peace of mind. From artificial turf to pet turf, pavers to patio covers, and putting greens, Vision Turf and Pavers offers a comprehensive range of products to transform your outdoor space into a haven of relaxation and enjoyment. So whether you're seeking a maintenance-free lawn, a pet-friendly surface, a stunning hardscape design, a custom-built patio cover, or a professional-grade putting green, Vision Turf and Pavers has you covered. With our expertise, quality products, and commitment to customer satisfaction, Vision Turf and Pavers is your trusted partner in creating the outdoor space you've always envisioned. So, why wait? Contact Vision Turf and Pavers today and let our team of experts help you bring your outdoor dreams to life. Experience the beauty, functionality, and sustainability that our artificial turf, pet turf, pavers, patio covers, and putting greens can bring to your home. Vision Turf and Pavers, where innovation meets craftsmanship and your outdoor dreams become a reality.